What's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone with TradingSecrets.com, your home for vibe coding, especially for beginners. All right, I have redesigned my whole site. Got away from Amazon, all these other type of affiliate programs, and one thing that I was seeing online on X is that a lot of tools are being brought out now, but they're not being shown. People are spending money, run ads and stuff like that. But a lot of new beginners don't have that type of opportunity to do those type of things that some of these other, I guess you want to say, big companies or people who have resources. I built this site for beginners. Beginning vibe coding, you got an awesome tool. You got a blog, information out there on social media. I mostly say this the platforms on X and Reddit. Like I said, you have articles, all those type of things. And I design my website so that I can share your information for you. It's basically the concept is this: you help me, I help you, right? So basically, as simple as this: I have so we put together vibe coding trends. Now on this page here, that if it ever will load here, as you can see, we have all resources. We have Reddit, we have Twitter, and we have news. Basically, reason why it took so long is that I've been having it load information here on different, as you can see on here, different platforms. We have Reddit, we have Twitter, and we have news articles. Basically, everything mostly dealing with vibe coding. And based on what I want to do is I want to help beginner vibe coders. I'll consider myself, beginner because I get back into it again. Like I said, I did go to school for computer science. I got out because I didn't feel like I was learning anything. But the main thing of it is that when I go, especially my main platform is X, and when I go and I look on there, is people just looking and say, "How can I get the word out? How can I get the word out? I need help. Can you share this? Can you share that? You know what? You help me, I help you. Okay. So basically, this is what it is. I search online. I find that some of the top threads that will help with information on how to be better at vibe coding. So I was just basically just sitting here one day. It's like, you know what? Let me do something. Let me help the people. Okay, so that's what I decided to do. So basically, the website now is where that we have a dash. I have a dashboard, which I will show you here in a minute, where that you can log into, and you are able to display your articles or your tools. And when you guys uh, put that on the site, then I will come on here on YouTube and share your article information and your tools, your SaaS tools, whatever that you're building. That you may have a maybe say online business with that you're selling website designs or some type of tool where people can build their own websites. I think there was a couple ones that I was looking at where that you basically use. It's like you put it into the LLM, I guess whatever model that is using Gronk or using ChatGPT, something like that, whatever, and it goes and design your page. It was pretty cool. But I've been seeing a lot of stuff out there, but people aren't really getting the visible eye. Well, I love sharing information. I love helping people, and this is one thing that I can do, that I know that I can help y'all with. So, like I said, on here, we got basic information. So you need information and learning about how to, survive coding information, what people are sharing on social media, on these double platforms here, Reddit and Twitter. And also we will have a community area. Right now, it's not going to show a lot. The reason being is because I had to clear it out, had some people help me put some stuff on here. But basically, this will be the area where that people can come and see what you are promoting or what your design are. Like I said, we have any news with AI that you're writing about, any of your articles. Also, any type of your AI tools that you're designing will be right here, and this will be the page where that I will go. I will be here on YouTube, and where that I will come on and share the information for you. Simple as that. I just have one stipulation, and I'll show you what that is here in a minute. Also as well, we have other platform information for other, like I said, mostly on X here. But best part about it is you can switch around. You can choose X. You can look for the articles, or you can literally just search for search on Reddit. I have all the links on here. Name basically where it's come. Like we got web dev here, we got Replit and their information. So I do this myself. I don't really like most people that they'll put together have like a bot come through and have the information put up themselves. I know it might be easier, but I want to make sure that the information is crisp and it's something that I will use. So this is a basically another area, other platform links that you can go and look and find more other deep information. Like I was showing it here. These on this page here I showed you earlier. This is basically showing some of the most trending. Now this one I had to do a little bit of research on, but I try to look for the most trending information at the time. So most of this stuff on the platform link page is where that I go and basically some quick information I'm running through. Sitting down here at the computer, I find something, boom, I throw it up. So also here as well, we got trending news as well. Now this is most of the information that I write, that information that I go and I see that I think will be information for you guys, good for you guys as well. I put that on here. So, I have a few articles now. Like I said, I did switch over, other things I'm doing. Pretty much like you said, if you see something like this is one of my top pages. So, I ain't gonna delete it because I still get a little commission off this here from Amazon. But majority of information that I am now writing is about is mostly dealing with vibe coding. So if you need some more detailed information, you guys go ahead and check this out as well. Let me know what you guys think. And also, I will be building, or maybe it's added some other features, but I will be building my own form. I guess you want to say form page where that we can, add, when the community grows, that where that we can share information. I know that you can use say stuff like Discord, stuff that you can use, stuff like call it what's the other one? Facebook, stuff like that. But I don't want to do that because I don't control it. I don't control the social medias and other things. Like, basically I don't control most social media platforms. So I want to make sure it's a place where that when people come in, I can regulate, I can see I'm in control, not Zuckerberg and so whoever does Discord thing. So I want to be in control, but I want to be an easy place, a comfortable place, because when you go on Facebook, you're sitting there trying to look. The next minute, you're scrolling on your Facebook page, looking at stuff about your parents and all that kind of stuff. And I don't want that. I want a dedicated place where that we all can come together and share our information, proper information. So if you do join, don't be doing nothing crazy because I will bump it out really quick. So let's let's go here over here real quick. It's very, very simple. You do have the option to click on here and start a new account, put your information in, confirm your password, all that good stuff here. We got like I said, terms of service, you can create an account or sign in. But as what I have right now so we're gonna jump on here. I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna sign in real quick. And then once I sign in, then we're gonna take a look at the community dashboard where you be displaying your information. All right, here's the community dashboard. That's basically that's basically that you'll be able to come into right now. You'll be able to see like we got some other people lined up right now. I literally just went live a few days ago, going some information here. Now this you'll be able to you have your name, you'll show you the community member since then, and this will be an easy access to see the community page. But we just have the quick information here. Basically, the only requirement that I have as of right now is that is when you submit your articles into the community. It's basically just the articles. It has nothing to do with the tools, links to the tools or anything like that. But if you're gonna submit any of your article information, only thing I ask for you to do is put a backlink for trendingseekers.com, right? As you see right here, into the article when you submit it, and you're able to submit 3 articles a day. So you'll be able to go put your information here, confirmation. Also down here as well, you'll be able to see what you put in, basically what you have in there. It's like, okay, I don't remember what articles I have on here. Well, this right here will be your submitted content area. So you look at see, and also, like I said, I have where that I will be looking over the articles, looking to make sure everything's right, make sure ain't nothing crazy. I don't want the people to be able to throw up anything like that without any type of security here as well. So you'll be able to see your submissions and how many articles you have in and how many have been approved. So very, very simple, nothing too crazy, basically as of right now. So like I said, you help me, I help you. I want to see I want to see it. I want to see your information because I know what it took for me to make this page, all these pages here that that I had put together, the designs, the colors, the copy, all those good things right here. I want to be able to share that information with y'all. And share it with the world, make videos on it because this is one of the things that I want, and I really, really do enjoy this, and I want to help out the community, and this is basically what I want to do. So, if you guys are interested, I'll make sure that I'll have this down in the description area where that you can get in is basically trendingseekers.com. Just go into the login dashboard area and sign up today. And also make sure to comment down below and let me know what you think about this idea. And if you have any other type of ideas once you get in there, as of right now, you can follow me on X. Right now, I'll make sure I have my X account. I'll have my social media information down below, where that you can contact me on there. Let me guys know. Like I said, then eventually here pretty soon I will have a form up. So appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.